Did you know a vast hidden kingdom thrives beneath our feet? It's a world teeming with life, often overlooked but incredibly vital to our ecosystem. A magical realm of extraordinary beings, mushrooms. These fascinating organisms come in an astonishing array of shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its own unique role in nature. More than just simple organisms, mushrooms are nature's alchemists, recyclers, and a source of endless fascination. They break down complex organic materials, turning them into nutrients that enrich the soil and support plant life. Mushrooms are the fruiting bodies of fungi, a vast and ancient kingdom distinct from both plants and animals. This kingdom includes a myriad of species, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. These remarkable organisms have been around for over 1 billion years, playing a crucial role in the evolution and balance of life on Earth. They have witnessed the rise and fall of countless species adapting and thriving through the ages. From the familiar button mushroom to the bioluminescent fungi that light up the night, mushrooms captivate our imagination. Their ability to glow in the dark is not just a spectacle but also a survival mechanism, attracting insects that help spread their spores. The world of mushrooms is filled with wonder and diversity. Some mushrooms can grow to enormous sizes, while others remain microscopic. Their forms can be as varied as coral reefs or as simple as a button. Join us as we delve into this captivating realm, exploring the edible delights, medicinal marvels, and the cultural significance of mushrooms. From gourmet dishes to traditional remedies, mushrooms have been an integral part of human history. And let's not forget the mind-expanding properties of these fungal wonders. Psychedelic mushrooms have been used for centuries in spiritual and healing practices, offering profound experiences and insights. Scientists continue to study mushrooms, uncovering new species and potential benefits. Their research is revealing how these organisms can be used in medicine, environmental conservation, and even in creating sustainable materials. So next time you walk through a forest, take a moment to look down and appreciate the magical kingdom beneath your feet. It's a world of endless discovery and wonder, waiting to be explored. For centuries, cultures around the world have cherished mushrooms as a culinary delicacy. These fascinating fungi have found their way into countless traditional recipes, adding unique flavors and textures to a variety of dishes. From the bustling markets of Asia to the rustic kitchens of Europe, mushrooms have been a staple ingredient, celebrated for their versatility and nutritional benefits. From the earthy flavors of porcini mushrooms, which are often foraged from the wild and prized for their rich, nutty taste, to the delicate sweetness of chanterelles, which are known for their vibrant color and slightly fruity aroma, edible mushrooms offer a diverse range of tastes and textures. Each type of mushroom brings its own unique character to the table, making them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Shiitake mushrooms, prized in Asian cuisine, lend their savory umami flavor to stir-fries and soups, enhancing the depth of flavor in these dishes. They are often used in traditional Japanese and Chinese recipes where their meaty texture and robust taste are highly valued. While oyster mushrooms, with their delicate oyster-like texture, are delicious sautéed or grilled. These mushrooms are often used in vegetarian and vegan dishes as a substitute for meat, thanks to their satisfying texture and mild flavor. Mushrooms are not only delicious, but also nutritious, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are a great source of B vitamins, such as riboflavin and niacin, which are important for energy production and maintaining healthy skin. They are low in calories and fat, making them a healthy and flavorful addition to any diet. Including mushrooms in your meals can help boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even support weight management. Whether you're looking to enhance the flavor of your favorite dishes or add a nutritious element to your diet, mushrooms are a versatile and valuable ingredient. Beyond their culinary appeal, many mushrooms possess remarkable medicinal properties. These fascinating fungi have been used for centuries, not just as food, but as powerful natural remedies. From boosting the immune system to fighting inflammation, mushrooms offer a treasure trove of health benefits. Traditional medicine systems worldwide have long recognized the healing potential of these fungal allies. In ancient cultures, mushrooms were often considered sacred and were used in various healing rituals. They were believed to connect the physical and spiritual worlds, providing holistic healing. Reishi mushrooms, revered in traditional Chinese medicine, are believed to promote longevity and enhance immune function. Known as the mushroom of immortality, reishi has been used for over 2,000 years. It is thought to reduce stress, improve sleep, and even support heart health. Lion's mane mushrooms, with their cascading icicle-like appearance, are said to support cognitive health and memory. Recent studies suggest that compounds in lion's mane may stimulate the growth of brain cells, potentially offering protection against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Modern science is beginning to unravel the complex chemistry behind these traditional uses, uncovering a wealth of bioactive compounds with potential applications in treating a wide range of ailments. Researchers are exploring how these compounds can be used to develop new medications, offering hope for conditions such as cancer, diabetes, and autoimmune diseases. The future of mushroom-based medicine looks incredibly promising, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science. Mushrooms have played a profound role in shaping human consciousness throughout history. Certain species, known as psychedelic mushrooms, contain psychoactive compounds that can induce altered states of consciousness. From ancient shamanic rituals to modern explorations of consciousness, these fungal allies have been intertwined with the human quest for spiritual insight, healing, and self-discovery. The use of psychedelic mushrooms dates back millennia, with evidence suggesting their presence in ancient cave paintings and artifacts around the world. Section 5. A journey into the mycelial network, psilocybin and the mind. Psilocybin, the psychoactive compound found in certain mushrooms, has gained increasing attention for its potential therapeutic benefits. Research suggests that psilocybin can induce profound mystical experiences characterized by feelings of unity, interconnectedness, and a sense of transcendence. These experiences can have lasting positive effects on individuals, leading to increased well-being, creativity, and a deeper connection to the natural world. Section 6. Respect and responsibility. Navigating the psychedelic realm. It is essential to approach psychedelic mushrooms with respect and responsibility. These potent substances can have powerful effects on the mind and body, and it is crucial to use them safely and intentionally. Seeking guidance from experienced practitioners or facilitators can help ensure a safe and meaningful experience. Responsible use involves careful preparation, setting intentions, and integrating the insights gained from the experience. Section 7. The future of fungi, a myriad of possibilities. The world of mushrooms holds immense potential for the future. From sustainable food solutions to innovative materials and groundbreaking medicines, fungi are inspiring innovation across various fields. Mycoremediation, the use of fungi to clean up pollutants, offers a promising solution for environmental restoration. The future of fungi is bright, with endless possibilities for discovery and innovation. Section 8. A symphony of interconnection. Mushrooms remind us that we are interconnected. They are the fruiting bodies of a vast underground network of mycelium, a living web that connects plants and trees in a complex symbiotic relationship. This intricate network, often referred to as the Wood Wide Web, facilitates communication and resource sharing between different species in the forest ecosystem. Mushrooms, with their intricate life cycles and ecological roles, embody the interconnectedness of all living things. Section 9. Mushrooms and the Web of Life. Mushrooms play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems worldwide. As decomposers, they break down organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil and supporting the growth of new life. They are essential for forest health, providing nutrients to trees and other plants, while also forming symbiotic relationships with various organisms. Their ability to break down pollutants and remediate contaminated environments makes them crucial allies in the face of environmental challenges. Section 10. A call to awareness, protecting our fungal allies. As we learn more about the remarkable world of mushrooms, it becomes increasingly important to protect these vital organisms and their habitats. Habitat loss, climate change, and pollution threaten fungal diversity, jeopardizing the delicate balance of ecosystems. By raising awareness about the importance of fungi, we can foster a greater appreciation for these remarkable organisms and inspire action to conserve them for generations to come. Section 11. The unfolding mysteries of the mycelial world. The journey into the world of mushrooms is an ongoing exploration, filled with wonder, discovery, and a deepening appreciation for the interconnectedness of life. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the mycelial world, we open ourselves to new possibilities for healing, innovation, and a deeper understanding of our place in the web of life. Let us embrace the magic and wisdom of mushrooms, recognizing their vital role in the tapestry of life on Earth. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating facts and discoveries about the magical world of mushrooms.